Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the obvious but critical items. Inspect the cable, MagSafe or USB-C connector, and the power brick for damage or debris so contacts mate cleanly. Next, test the wall outlet and a different socket or power strip to rule out external power. Once done, perform a System Management Controller reset on Intel Macs or open System Settings on Apple Silicon to check battery health. This identifies firmware or battery issues before deeper disassembly. You now isolate whether the charger or the MacBook is at fault. First, try a known good compatible charger or borrow one. If the Mac charges, the original adapter is faulty. If uncertain, measure the adapter's DC output with a multimeter. Compare to labeled voltage so you know if it's delivering power. Then boot into safe mode and monitor charging status in System Settings. This rules out software conflicts and helps decide whether to repair the charger, replace the cable, or seek service. You finish by selecting the right fix based on earlier tests. Replace a frayed cable or the MagSafe head, or buy an OEM or Apple-certified USB-C adapter if the adapter failed. If the charging port is bent, dirty, or corroded, avoid DIY board work. Get professional service to prevent further damage. Once replaced or repaired, reset PRAM/NVRAM and perform another SMC reset as a final troubleshooting step. If it still won't charge, document symptoms and contact Apple or a certified repair shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.